Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to discuss some of the phrasal verb which starts with the letter E. Yes, with the letter E. Briefly, I'm going to say what is phrasal verb. Phrasal verb is preposition and verbs we say phrasal verb. Sometimes we use adverbs also and it really helps to enhance our communication skills. So in this video, I'm going to tell you all the phrasal verb which starts with letter E, and if you watch the complete video you can take your English to the next level. Yes my friend, you can take it to the next level. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So first phrasal verb is eat away. So what is eat away? Slowly destroy or reduce. The disease eats the heart away. Criticism can eat away one's self-image and confidence. Next one is agon. So what is agon? Encouraging to do idiotic and foolish things. Some example are: it should not be done, but we do it anyway. She was egged on to continue smoking. Ease off. Ease off. If Andrew doesn't ease off his work, he will make himself ill. By finding part-time job, Andrew can ease off. What do you think, my friend? He can ease off? Yes, definitely. By finding part-time job, he can ease off. Sometimes we say to our girlfriend or friend, anybody, we say that you look so tired, you should ease off. So on this way also we can make sentence using ease off. Eat up. Big fish eat up the small one. Be a good boy and eat up your fruits. Eat up your dinner soon or your mummy will scold you. Sometimes it's happened with you. Yes my friend. Eat up your fish and don't be so finky. On this way also you can make sentence using eat up. Embark on. Embark on means to begin. They embark on their trip to London. My friend is about to embark on a new business venture. Next one is exposed to. My girlfriend is careful enough not to expose her skin to the sun. The uses of extricated from is to getting someone out of a difficult situation or a dangerous place. I extricated the tractor from the mud. Children from the war extricated. Sometimes we say to our friend or someone that I extricated him or her from a difficult. So on this way you can make sentences using extricated from. Next one is empty out. So what is empty out? Removing everything from inside. He emptied out his pocket, but there was only a few visiting cards. Engage in uses are when one becomes involved in something related to war, dispute, debate, etc. Nowadays I'm engaged in video scripting, or you can say like my friends engaged in debate all day long. On this way also you can say I know some of your friends does it. So you can say this phrasal verb on this way also. Enter into. Enter involved in an agreement, contract or discussion. I don't want to enter into this project. You can say I want to enter into stock market but I don't know it. It's very complex. I don't want to enter into now. So you can make sentence using on this way also this phrasal verb enter into. Next phrasal verb is even up. So what is even up? Even equalize or balance. I need to make few runs more to even up the cricket competition. I missed my tasks for a few months but I even up. And end with final of something. Like the movie ended with some useless action scenes. Suppose you watch a movie and you were saying to me that today's movie was horrific. It ended with really useless action scene. Exposed to, which might not experience or watch. My parents not exposed to gadget in their childhood. Eat into, to reduce the amount of something. Of my girlfriend eat into my savings. So in this way also you can make sentence using eat into.